haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind.
Remember guys, sa previous vlog, sabi ko, isi-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung pasasalamat ko sa inyo. Who is that you're talking about? You don't have a girlfriend that have a baby.
I love you. That's convincing.
That's not convincing. You
Rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got...
I know.
It's uha, sweat. Uha.
Did you ever hear a baby say that ever?
Okay, can you just tell me what the baby cries? And that's a freaking cow or a goat?
An hour ago.
Yes.
Huh? Oh, baby goes, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Honey.
Don't have it.
No.
Get video of the baby crying. Don't have it.
No, the baby cry, oha, like that. But you, it's just like something else. It sounds like a cow that somebody tried to kill.
Yeah, you sound like a siren on a dead battery.
Siren na dead battery, you're crazy. That's really the baby cries, oha.
No, it's not.
Oh my God, Han, I have a lot of siblings. I have a lot of brother and sister that I taken care of before long time ago, and that's what baby cries.
I don't think so.
Yes, I think so. You are like weird. You don't have a baby. You don't take care of baby long time ago.
I care a lot of babies, kid.
Babies. You take care a lot of babies, and can you just tell me what? Name now.
What? My sisters had babies.
Okay, and that's it. A lot of
Had
it.
babies and not.
What? Your girlfriend? What?
I had girlfriends who had babies, and it's not enough to that noise.
You have a girlfriend that had babies. What the heck is that, Han?
Why?
Like you have a girlfriend that have a baby? Is your baby?
It's not my baby.
Who is that you're talking about? You don't have a girlfriend that have a baby.
Yeah.
Who is that girlfriend now that you say that you have a baby?
Oops.
I had girlfriends. I don't remember who they were.
Oh my God. Maybe you're the father, Tommy. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think so. They had babies when I met them.
Crazy. I love you. You still don't want it? Fine. No, you're not convincing. Say it convincingly, Tommy.
I love you. That's convincing.
That's not convincing. You threw the word out to me.
No, it's true with heartfelt. It's not like, I gotta say this. That's what you do.
Mosh it. Mosh it.
I gotta say this. What?
Mosh.
It's like somebody's drinking out of your tongue.
I love you.
You too, hon.
Say it a mushy one.
I don't do bullshit.
Can you just do it, please?
Oh, honey, I love you so much. You're the love I love you to try.
Oh my God. Kill me now. You're crazy.
Oh my God.
I love you. I'll talk to you later. Please drive careful.
Yeah, I'll be giving half your steak to the dogs.
Are you kidding me? I don't give nothing to the dog. And when it comes to steak, it's just go out into my mouth. It come into my mouth.
Yeah, I know, but they look at you and say, well, no, I'm going all over their face.
I'm not like you.
Rosie's tongue goes everywhere.
I know, licking her butt.
She can't control her tongue when she sees you.
No, Hobbs too, hon. Hobbs is just like licking too. Every time see something and sitting here is like licking all over the place too. Oh, I want to tell you something. Hoy, ginoo ko. Son already, Hobbs is right here. My brother Dodong have a baby girl.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and he is like so big. It's like almost 9 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah.
Still not as big as Andrea.
Andrea is 9'11", right?
Yeah.
Holy cow. So what are you gonna have when you get home?
I don't know if I'm gonna have yet. I guess chicken and pasta. Oh yeah.
In 3/4 of a mile, keep left to I-95 north.
Is the thing is, you don't cook tonight. Eat the one that I made yesterday. And
Yeah.
tomorrow, just cook steak. Bake it.
Yeah.
A what?
Crazy that these people are just crazy bastards.
Why?
Because they just swing out in front of you. You go like 50 miles an hour, they just jump out in front of you.
Are you in the Bronx now?
Yeah.
Be in either of those two left lanes.
Hubs is staring at me right now.
Take exit 9.
There it is.
Yeah.
Toward Hudson Parkway North.
Hungry. Hungry.
I just feed him. I guess I'm gonna give him a little bit of the steak. Yeah, I'm gonna cut something for him.
This sounds like having you really eat a little bit.
Yeah. Oh my god, he's blinking his eyes and he has that fat chin on him.
Right. Yeah, you're kidding.
And he make his chin fatter, like he mean like, Mama, I'm here. So I can see his fat chin because he's like, and then with the blinking eyes. And he knows I'm doing something for him because I have a freaking top pepper. Come here, bud. Come here, little man. Come here, bud. Where are you now, baby?
Bro.
Hubs is happy. Your son is happy. He loved the steak.
Yeah, but he still won't eat a lot of it.
I don't give a lot. Kidding me? He finished it.
Yeah, and then if you give him a little bit more, he'll only eat half of that in one plate.
Yeah, I'm not giving nothing more. That's it. He's happy.
Yeah, they want to know that you're willing to share when you're done with them.
Yeah.
In 3/4 of a mile, take exit 9 off right toward Hutchinson Parkway North and keep left.
He's still looking at me. Roxy is thinking, why we don't have none? Having cereal for lunch makes me hungry. My steak is super cooked.
Purple?
Super cooked.
Oh,
Overcooked.
super cooked.
Dead cooked.
Yeah, it's always overcooked. So you do.
I like it, huh?
The ends of the steak, the outside parts of the steak, overcooked and good. But when you get the whole steak overcooked, you dry out.
Did you hear about the flu? That it's like these two person very healthy, and then when they had a flu, they died.
Yeah, a lot of that going around. And there's like 20 kids already dead.
I don't know what is that all about, eh? It's scary. One person, one woman, she died. Went to the hospital. They send her back to the house. When he got home, he died. She died.
Yeah. I love nothing.
No, there's something. It's not the doctor. It's the flu. It's you don't know what's gonna happen. It's the kind of flu.
They monitor it. They can tell whether or not responding to the antibiotics or the antiviral.
Yeah, in Texas, it's icy road. A lot of accident everywhere.
It's getting colder, so the wet roads are now icy.
Yeah, a lot of accident on the road.
You what?
In Texas, a lot of accident on the road because of the icy road.
People driving like idiots.
Han, it's ice. What you can do?
Not like it's all ice. Get a little spot light. Driving normal.
Bedtime na. And i-close ko ito. Kasi nakikita tayo ng kapitbahay natin. Wala naman tayong kapitbahay. Anyway, tapos na akong nag-toothbrush. I did watch Amazing Race downstairs. At katatapos lang naming mag-asawa nag-FaceTime. So, yun. Nag-FaceTime kaming dalawa. Yun naman lang ang gawa namin, FaceTime. And matutulog lang ako, guys. Of course. Buti na lang may nagawa akong video today kasi wala talaga akong hindi nga ako naka-shivel, 'di ba? Sa kasi sobrang kapal ng ano. Uy, sabi pa ng asawa ko din yung doon sa isang bahay, ice daw. Kasi slushy siya eh. Yung doon, ulan siya na dalang snow na slushy. So, ang resulta dahil sa ginaw, ang resulta, ice. So, sabi niya, bukas, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. Buti na lang, wala siyang trabaho bukas. And, I think he's just, na lang siya ng salt. Sana, magawa ng paraan. And anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I-end ko na tong vlog na ito. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat sa paghapit. Salamat sa pag-stop by sa channel na ito. And salamat sa panonood this video. If you haven't subscribed in this channel, please give me a click the subscribe button guys. At saka may notification bell, click na din yun. At saka salamat sa pag-like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys! I-film ko lang ito guys because remember guys sa previous vlog, sabi ko i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung pasasalamat ko sa inyo. Sa mga nanonood ng vlog ko, thank you sa inyo. Ito yung ibig kong sabihin na mayroon akong i-share sa inyo na gusto kong pasalamat, gusto kong i-ano siya. Kasi yung last vlog na sinabi ko yan, patungo na ako sa bed at saka naano ko lang yung sinabi ni Tami sa akin na dapat ako magpasalamat sa inyo. Ito yun dahil. Kasi ito yung dahilan guys kung bakit gusto namin ni Tami magpasalamat sa inyo. Naging daily vlogger ako at saka naging consistent na ako nag-upload ng vlog at saka kung hindi ninyo alam, I'm sure alam ninyo lahat sa mga vloggers, sa mga YouTubers, alam naman ninyo na mayroon yung kita. Malaki na channel or maliit na channel, hindi na natin ikumpara yung channel natin sa mga malalaki kasi alam naman natin na malalaki yung mga nakikita nila. Okay, so yun naman talaga ang totoo. Yung ibang mga vlogger, hindi nila na-share kung gaano sila lucky na may mga followers sila na nanonood ng mga vlog nila constant. So yun, hindi naman lahat ng mga vloggers hindi nila sinasabi at pasalamat, kundi hindi dahil sa inyo hindi sila andon sa kinalalagyan nila ngayon. Alam naman ninyo, kitang-kita naman ninyo, hindi naman tayo malaki, diba? Maliit lang tayo, pero consistent yung ibang nanonood. At sa inyo, pasalamat ako dahil sa inyo. At sabi pa ng asawa ko, pasalamat ka sa kanila dahil may rason yan bakit nasabi niya. Kasi nasa shock yung asawa ko kahit nag-video ako, parang yung daily life ko or yung mga talagang personality ko na parang loka-loka, nakuha ko sa video and nagva-vlog ako para ma-share ko at saka para na rin sa akin na makikita ko in the next future. So, pabalik-balik na lang ako guys, pasalamat dahil sa ganito. Pero dahil yung asawa ko kapag in the end of the month, may binigay ako sa kanya, well, disclaimer guys hindi malaki, as in maliit lang yung kita natin dito. Lalo na ako na maliit akong vlogger, may kita pero hindi malaki, okay? Ang guys, na-shock yung asawa ko dahil may maibigay ako sa kanya. Nakatulong ako, alam naman ninyo, andito lang ako sa bahay at saka hindi ako nagtatrabaho kasi alam naman, hindi ko na-explain sa inyo. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa kanya kapag may natanggap ako in the end of the month kasi yung YouTube sumasahod sa 21. Every 21, dinideposit nila yung pera kapag umaabot ka ng $100 above, then i-deposit nila sa YouTube, sa bank account mo. So yun, every end of the month guys, may naibigay ako sa asawa ko. Hindi naman palagi guys. Kasi iba-iba kasi yung buwan, paiba-iba yung kwarta, paiba-iba yung sahod sa YouTube every month. Sinasabi kong sahod kasi sahod naman talaga yun guys. Kung mayroong maliit na pira, $1, sahod na yun guys. Kahit maliit na sahod na yan. So, maliit o malaki sahod yan siya. So anyway, so yun, kapag may ibinigay ako sa asawa ko, nasa shock siya. Uy, sabi ko, ito yan, i-add mo yan sa account mo para may iambag din ako, mai-share, may nababayaran na akong tubig or internet cable. So yun, may na itutulong na ako sa asawa ko. So yun lang, parang gusto niyang sabihin ko sa inyo na salamat. At ako din guys, salamat dahil sa time ninyo, dahil sa panonood ng video ko. At saka yun naman talaga ang totoo guys. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, kung hindi dahil ayaw kong itago na parang, nag-enjoy ako nag-vlog. I do really enjoy the vlogging guys. Nakikita nyo naman kung sino ako, yun ako. At saka kung yung mga kita ko dito, kung ano man ang nangyayari sa YouTube, i-share ko din. Kasi kasi yun naman ang part sa pag-vlogging ko at isi-share ko sa inyo. Kung hindi naman dahil sa inyo, wala akong maiambag sa asawa ko. So yun guys, salamat. Hindi ko na masasabi kung anong dapat kong sabihin sa pagpasalamat sa inyo. Pero ang gusto ko lang sabihin talaga guys, as in, super duper salamat sa time, sa pag-like ng mga video ko, at sa pag-comment, at sa pag-subscribe. Sa time talaga guys, sa panunood ng video ko, salamat ng sobra. Sumakit yung kamay ko. So, yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. Ayaw ko namang i-ano sa inyo, guys. Kasi sabi pa ng asawa ko, sabihin ko daw sa inyo na salamat. Kahit hindi ako katulad ng ibang malalaking mga YouTuber. Very surprising kasi, guys. Iba kasi yung feeling, guys, kapag meron kang natanggap at saka maitutulong sa asawa mo. Yung natanggap ko dahil sa inyo, guys. Thank you, guys, so much. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, guys, hindi ako nakatulong sa asawa ko. Maliit man o malaki, salamat. Salamat talaga, guys. Hindi ko ma-explain kung anong dapat sabihin para na ma-feel ninyo na yung pasasalamat ko. Kung gusto ko, kung makikita ko lang kayong lahat ngayon, ihahag, ikikiss, gagawin ko. Pero, impossible naman, guys. Anyway, so yun lang naman yung wish ko. Sana makita ko kayo at saka pasalamat na din. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Ina-add ko lang itong clip sa video na ito to say thank you to you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. I appreciate it. Kami and I appreciate your time, guys. Thank you guys so much. I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Rockabye, rocka, rocka, rockabye.